This is the EpassCard Smart Pass Wallet app. Users can store and use digital passes in one place. Open a pass, no login required. Users can open a pass to see its details. This screen shows the pass information and QR code. The QR code can be shown for use or verification. No login is required to view or use a pass. Pass settings. Users can open the pass settings screen. From here, users can enable automatic updates for the pass, enable or disable notifications, enable nearby alerts based on time or location. These options help users manage how the pass behaves. Share pass. Users can also share a pass with others using the share option. Remove pass. If needed, users can remove a pass from the wallet. This permanently deletes the pass from the device. Virtual card pass. Users can also view their virtual card as a pass. From here, they can share the virtual card or remove it. Account screen, optional login. This is the account section of the app. The app works without login, but login is optional for extra features. Login for backup and sync. When a user signs in, the app backs up passes to the cloud. This allows users to restore passes if the phone is lost or use them on another device. Login for digital business card. Login is required to create or update a digital business card. This keeps the card secure and synced across devices.